So this is the Tronsmart Bang 2. The Bang series has always been my favorite from Tronsmart, and this video, let's check out what's been upgraded, how it sounds, and whether it's worth buying. First things first, what's new? One major upgrade is that the Bang 2 now features a new racetrack-shaped driver, combined with 2 tweeters and 2 passive radiators. On top of that, the power has been bumped up from 60 watts on the Bang 1 to 90 watts. So it delivers a more powerful and louder sound experience with clearer, richer audio and wider sound coverage. The bass, in particular, is deeper and more impactful, perfect for bass lovers like me. Let's jump straight into the sound test. So what do you think? If you want to enjoy even more immersive surround sound, you can pair it with another Bang 2. In fact, it theoretically supports connection to over 100 speakers, though I imagine your battery might give up before your party does. Speaking of battery life, that's another big improvement. It now lasts up to 26 hours. That's about 10 hours more than the first generation. Awesome. Now about the design. If you place the two side by side, you'll notice the Bang 2 is slightly bigger than the Bang 1. And as we all know in the speaker world, size does matter. But surprisingly, it's actually lighter. That's because the Bang 2 uses an internal magnet design. Unlike the external magnet in the previous model, internal magnets make the speaker more compact and lightweight without sacrificing sound quality. So it's lighter, sounds better, and is easier to carry. Tronsmart also added the detachable shoulder strap and kept the built-in handle, making it super convenient to take anywhere you want. Other changes: the Bang 2 now has a larger front-facing logo, and the mesh surface is IPX6 rated for water resistance, great for poolside or beach parties. Around the back, you'll find the ports. It now supports reverse charging via Type-C, in addition to a USB-A port, so you've got flexible charging options. And check out, there are cool light effects on both sides of the speaker, which you can control through the companion app. Yes, it has an app, and you can use it to customize your EQ settings to match your personal tastes. Oh, and one more thing, it supports dual Bluetooth connections. That means you can connect 2 devices at the same time. When one starts playing, the other automatically pauses. Pretty cool, right? Imagine being at a party and seamlessly switching to your friend's playlist. So overall, the Tronsmart Bang 2 is a major setup. Thanks to its 2.1 stereo channel design with a dedicated subwoofer and dual tweeters, you get a fuller, more dynamic sound with rich highs and deep, punchy bass. Whether you're indoors or throwing an outdoor party, it delivers impressive clarity and power. Combine that with the longer battery life and better portability, and it's easily one of the best value speakers in its class right now. And if you are interested, please check the link in the description and get one now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.